Hello, I am the teacher Natalia, and today we are going to talk about the future with be going to and will. Well, in this class, we will focus on two phrases, will and going to. We will use both to talk about plans. Now, let's see the structure. First, we are going to use the verb to be, are, is, depending on the subject. Then we add the going to the add the verb in its basic form and finish by putting the complement of the sentence. For example, in the first sentence, we start with we, the subject. Then with the verb to be are, since the subject is we. And then add going to the phrases. We continue with the verb in its basic form, and so we couldn't put taking here since the basic form of the word is take. And we finish with the complement of the sentence. The same goes for the next two examples. We start with the subject I, then with the verb to be, in this case am, then we add the going to, then we find style, the verb in its basic form, and then we end with home, the complement of the sentence. And the last sentence we have is she's going to travel abroad. It's the same. Now we continue with will. When do you use it? We use will for possible plans. That is, plans that could change. For example, in the following question, what are you going to do? If we are not sure what we are going to do, we will answer, I'm not sure. I guess I just stay home. Maybe I'll take a course, or I don't know, I think I'm going camping. No, we come to a structure. First, we are going to put the subject, then the will, to finish with the verb in its basic form and the complement of the sentence. We start with the first example, maybe, and then the subject I, then we add the will, or we can also put it with its contraction, ill. We continue with the verb. Here we cannot put to, since it's the basic form, so we only leave the go to finish with the complement of the sentence. Shopping. Let's go to the second sentence. This begins the same with maybe, followed by the subject I. We continue with the will. We continue with the verb in its basic form, boy, to finish with the complement of the sentence that course. We finish with the last sentence, which will be I think I will travel around the world. Remember that we use going to for plans that are completely safe, and we use will for plans that could change. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.